Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we will create this plank for our folding door. Create a new part document, sketch on the front plane, draw a right angle triangle. These two lines would be equal in length. The length would be 991.72 millimeter. Go to weldments and select structural members. The standard would be ISO, type would be square tube and size would be 40 by 40 by 4. Select all the three lines and press OK. Sketch on the front plane again. Convert these two edges. Draw a random line. The distance between this point and the edge is 35.36 millimeters and distance between this point and the edge is 25 millimeters. Draw a center line through the middle of the triangle. Mirror these lines with respect to the newly drawn center line. Select extrude cut through all both sides, and the selected contours would be the newly drawn small triangles. Hide the sketch. Go to surface and select filled surface. Select all the edges here and press OK. Now go to neat surface, select the newly formed surface and these two planes, merge entities and press OK. Now we will thicken the surface. The thickness would be 5 millimeters and we want the thickness to be inside. That's why we are selecting the third option here and press OK. Now we will repeat these three steps for the other side also. Go to planar surface, select these three edges and press OK. Now thicken the surface. The thickness would be 2 millimeters. We want the thickness to be on this side, and that's why you are selecting the first option here. This is the result we are looking for. Now we will sketch on this plane. Draw a line connecting these two edges. Now at the middle point of the line, draw a circle. The diameter of the circle would be 10 millimeters. Now extrude cut 10 millimeters, blind. Now we can color the part if we want. And finally, save the part with proper name. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.